Right now I'm getting this Chrysler 300 Jump Start 2007. I've been working on the starter and finally replaced it, and it's not starting up. So if anybody has an idea with a similar problem, please let me know. Try to jump it. Now, been jumping it for a while now. I turn the key and I get nothing. I'm holding down the key. Lights are on. It got some power. That's all it stays on the dashboard. Lights turn off. These are on. Nothing. So, if anybody has an idea what I have to do here to get this car going, battery tested out good. So my next jump was, when I first started here, was to check the starter. Starter tested out bad. Replaced that and hooked everything back up, and nothing. So my next step was to check the fuse. I checked every single fuse, and I read there was a starter relay. So I checked that one, replaced it, and nothing. There's also another fuse box in the trunk. Checked those and still got nothing. So if anybody has an idea, please email me, leave a comment. Other than that, I don't know what else to do but take it to the shop and get it diagnosed. Alright, thank you guys.